Hi, I'm Cody from the Smithsonian Learning Lab team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your very own art-making robot.
Here are the recommended supplies for completing your Artbot. You'll need a cup, 3 markers, a mini motor, a battery case, 2 AA batteries, a switch, some felt, some sticky tape, some rubber bands, some pipe cleaners, double-sided tape, and last but not least, googly eyes. Let's begin constructing our Artbot by doing the circuitry part first. To begin, add the 2 batteries into your battery case. Make sure the flat side of the battery is towards the spring. This is the negative side. Next, let's connect the 2 black wires from the battery case to the motor. There are lots of ways of doing this. Most people will take wire strippers and strip the wires so that there's more metal exposed, but if you don't have any, you can put the 2 black wires and twist them around each other so they stay together. But the important thing is to make sure that the 2 metal bits of the wire are twisted around and touching each other. To make sure that they stay together, you can add a piece of your sticky tape around the 2 black wires to make sure they're still touching. Alright, now let's connect the 2 red wires to the switch. When the switch is open, it allows a circle of electricity to happen, making the motor run. But when you turn the switch off, it stops the electricity from going any further and the motor is off. On the switch, you'll see there are 2 metal prongs with 2 holes. We'll put either red wire into those holes. First, fold down the sides of your red wires, making hooks. Then, slide the hook through the hole of the switch and add some sticker tape to keep the wire connected to the metal prong. Do the same thing for the wire on the motor side. Put a piece of sticker tape through and connect the wire to the prong. You can test your switch by pressing the on button. My motor's running. If yours isn't, make sure your black wires are touching and the 2 red wires are touching. Now that the circuitry is complete, let's attach it to the cup. First, take a piece of your double-sided foam tape and connect it to the top of the cup, leaving about a finger width of room. Then add your battery case to the top of the cup onto the double-sided sticky tape. Next, take your motor and put it through the motor bracket, short side in first, and then twist it so that the wires are facing upwards and that the front is flush with the bracket. Then add the bracket to the top of the cup and put the rubber band around the motor so that the motor stays onto the cup. And next, let's bunch up these wires so they're out of the way. Put it on top and connect those with one more rubber band. Okay, there we go. Next, we'll connect a pipe cleaner to our motor to make the Artbot move. Since the shaft of the motor is smooth and metal, we'll need, again, another piece of sticker tape so that the pipe cleaner will have something to hold on to. So fold a piece of sticker tape around the motor shaft and then fold some pipe cleaners around that sticky tape. And this part will require a few bits of iteration. If I leave the pipe cleaner out, kind of like a pig's tail, it doesn't move very much. Oop, flew off. But if I wrap it around and keep the pipe cleaner a little bit more condensed so that it's not generating so much friction, let's try it again. Much better with it. Now let's decorate our Artbot. First, take your 2 rubber bands that are left and place one around the bottom and one around the top. Then take some of your felt and place the top rubber band around the top and the bottom around the bottom. Since this is where the tail is, I'm going to say this is the back, but you can make it the front as well. And so now that I have my felt, I'll take one of my markers and I'm going to draw a funny face on my Artbot. I'll leave 2 circles for my eyes and a funky nose and a big giant mouth. Ah, Artbot, Artbot, I'm going to make some art. Great. You can spend all the time you want decorating, but to keep it short, I'm just going to add the googly eyes next. There's some backing, so you want to make sure you pull the back off and apply the 2 googly eyes. All right, our Artbot is looking really great. Finally, the last step is to add your 3 markers as the Artbot's legs. Press it through the bottom and top rubber bands. Remove the caps. Place the Artbot down on a piece of paper. Flip the switch on and let it drop. All right, great. It's already making some really neat masterpieces. Once you're done, continue to decorate, add stickers, adjust your tail to make different designs, and continue to iterate. Have fun!
To learn more about the Smithsonian Learning Lab, visit learninglab.si.edu, where you can discover, create, and share using the Smithsonian's millions of digitized resources. To see more cool Artbot designs, visit s.si.edu/Artbot. Special thanks for this project goes to Lenovo.